See this? They cut through here to do this hill.
Yeah.
There, you get a little glimpse of it right here.
This is the bridge right here coming up, right?
Yeah.
You can see it on the right. Yeah. You can see there's no way you can look over and have any scenic view.
Yeah, I don't want people slowing down.
And if you have an accident here, you're not going to go anywhere, that's for sure. 500 feet above the Colorado River. We're recording this. Welcome to Arizona. That's it. You'd never even know you did it.